To the side, Miss Violet. Pull, pull. Yep, and then drop the shoulder a little more. Look to the left all the way. Pull, pull. There you go. So almost. So she's getting better. She is holding, but that right levator scap. And so many times you'll see when we're working someone on videos, we'll start with similar muscles, the QLs, the levators. And then what we do is we work our way from central to distal. Everybody has unique patterns of firing, but some are actually very similar. So we're going to breathe, Miss Violet. She already knows what's coming.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so we're on that levator scapula. The upper corner of the scapula where the levator scap attaches goes all the way up and into the neck, about mid-neck. Keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Shoulders loose and out. Let it go, Miss Violet. Cool. Let that go down. Lay onto your back here. Go right through here. All right.
Oh, this is the weird one.
Tender, yes?
Yeah, it's like sometimes I feel it in my arms.
Yeah, that's the reason why. So the nerves that go into the arm come out of the neck right through here, and these muscles that are over tightened because they've been overworked, we're working on those, and when we work on those, sometimes it puts pressure on those nerves. So we're working to get relief. Good job, good job. Good stuff. Come on up, Miss Violet. Here you go. You face that way. Look straight ahead. You can feel these ribs feeling out right there, so we'll come back to those. Now you go here. Look all the way to the right. Elbow drops down. Shoulder drops down. Pull in. Pull, pull, pull. Solid. Love it. Held that one. And then scoot over a little bit to your left. Palms up here. Okay. Head all the way down, Miss Violet. Push into your head. Push. Head halfway to the left, push. All the way to the left, push down. Solid. Halfway to the right, push. All the way to the right. Keep it turned to the right and push down. I knew it.
Damn it.
So we're going to go ahead and lay face up for this one. It attaches into this bone here in the skull, and it goes all the way down to your clavicle there, your collarbone. So we're going to breathe deep. And keep breathing. Gnarly, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Keep breathing. Yep. Try to let your head relax into the table. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You alright? Breathe in. Let your head go. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Do it again. Hold your breath. Don't help me. Let me do it. This is a counter strain. Breathe and relax. Slow down, 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 down. And we're going to go here on the back side of the neck. And let's put your left hand at your side all the way. There we go. Wow. It's a new one for you.
Yeah.
Breathe. Yeah. Wow. Gnarly. We got it. All right. Let your shoulders relax. Breath in and out. Right. Breathe again. And out. Chest relaxed. Beautiful, Miss Violet. Breathe in and out. Chest relaxed. Perfect. That was so good.
So good.
Come on. We've had our moments, right?
Seriously.
Hips relaxed. Awesome effort. Not quite. Right there. I know, right? Push in. Push, push. Let it go. All right. This is your right piriformis. Shoulders loose. I'll wake you up, right? Yeah, let's go. 10. 1, 0. You alright?
Yep,
Hanging in there. Push it. There you go. Breath in and out. Hips relax. We're going to hold your sacrum down. You relax. Don't breathe. We're counter straining the hip muscles, the piriformis. Breathe and relax. Much better. This one here. Pull in. Solid. And then go ahead and lay on your back, Miss Violet. Like so. Scoot your hips to the left. Yep. And then we're going to go here. Go crazy, huh? So these are your adductors. They're the opposite muscles of the ones we were just working on. There you go. I fasted this morning.
Oh yeah, I can totally feel that.
Hey, 5 pounds makes a difference. You survived?
Yeah.
We got it. She's like, thanks, yeah. And then hands down, both hands here. And I'm going to pull you this way, and you go ahead and resist. Go ahead. Solid, not trying to lose, huh?
No.
Little friendly competition going. Yeah. You pull to your right, pull. Oh, close. Come on up. On your tummy again, dear.
Okay.
Top of the hip here. So, you know it's done with love, my dear. Apologies in advance. Ooh. So we're right on top of the iliac crest. And if you've ever had lower back pain, you know this spot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow. You alright?
Yeah.
Hanging in there. Breath in again and out. No breath, no help. So I'm holding the sacrum down. Yeah, a little brutal. You gonna make it? Let's go face up, Miss Violet. Whew. Not easy, huh?
No, not at all, but you know.
Yeah. Better than pain, right? A little pain now for relief later. Bring this one out here. This is the one we were talking about here, the psoas.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
The infamous psoas. Everyone's favorite. Tickles or hurts?
I don't know.
Maybe a little bit of both.
Yeah.
You're like, maybe it's not the fabric, maybe it's your hand in my psoas. Almost done. Another couple minutes. Just messing with me. Not quite that long. That might be a little bit of the fabric in there. Yeah. Now, since you have boots on, this is actually perfect. Are you okay with lowering this just a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
So lower that one down a little bit. We're going to do the same thing, but we're going to capitalize on the boots. So watch this here. Ticklish.
Yeah.
Don't worry, the pain's coming.
I know.
So we're here, and the boot's cool because it's going to lock your foot down, and then you just hang loose if you can, and then let this drop out. Yeah. Yep. A little deeper psoas work. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
So for the people that don't know, the psoas actually starts down here, goes, this is the iliac crest, it goes across the iliac crest in a muscle called the iliacus, and then it goes underneath the intestines and hooks into the spine right down there. So what we're doing, is we're using her leg as an anchor point. Oh yeah. And then let your knee drop out a little bit,